In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive can't scan this file for viruses. Why can't GDrive scan files for viruses? If you've ever tried to download something from Google Drive and saw a message saying it can't scan the file for viruses, don't worry, that usually means the file is simply too large for Google's built-in scanner. Drive automatically scans smaller files, but once a file exceeds its scan limit, it warns you before the download. You can still get the file safely, you'll just want to be mindful and, if needed, scan it with your own antivirus after the download completes. First, open your browser and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is your central hub where all your folders and files live. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, then locate the file you want to download. Click the file you want. In many cases, you can preview documents, images, or videos right inside Drive before downloading. This is useful if you want to confirm it's the right file or quickly review its contents. Even if you plan to download it, previewing can save time and help you avoid pulling the wrong version. When you're ready, click Download. You'll see a small status message near the bottom corner showing that Drive is scanning the file. If the file is within Google's scanning limit, you'll get a quick confirmation and the download will proceed. If it's over the limit, Drive will tell you it can't scan this file for viruses. That's expected behavior for large files. Go ahead and continue with the download. Once it finishes, you can open or watch your downloaded file as normal. If you have security software on your computer, consider running a quick manual scan on the file afterward for peace of mind. If you prefer a different browser experience for the download and the scanning prompt, you can install the Opera browser. After installing Opera, open it, go to your Google Drive, and try downloading the same file. You should see the scanning indicator and download flow there as well. This doesn't replace your computer's antivirus, but some users find the prompt and progress indicators clearer in Opera. A couple of quick best practices while we wrap up. Only download files you trust, especially when Drive can't scan them due to size. Keep your operating system and antivirus up to date, and if something looks suspicious, scan it locally before opening. With these steps, you can confidently download from Drive, understand why the warning appears, and keep your files and device safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you handle that can't scan for viruses message with confidence.